Comments are a great way to convey feedback on a presentation. You can highlight selections of text and add comments to them for collaborators to review. In this lesson, we'll explore how to add comments to a presentation and how they work. Let's begin by adding some text. If we wanted to add a comment to this particular selection of text, we simply select it first and then click Insert. Now, click on Comment. As you can see, the comment has been added on the right-hand side. We can now enter text into the comment like this. Now we have finished writing our comment. We can click on Comment to add it. If you click on the comment again, you have the option of editing, deleting, or replying to it. Typically, if you're leaving a feedback comment for someone else, they can respond to your comment by replying to it. You will also receive an email summary when someone replies to your comments, so you know when feedback has been added. You can resolve the comment once the feedback has been reviewed and the changes have been made to the presentation to reflect the feedback. Resolving the comment will remove it from the presentation, but it will still be saved in the comment history, which can be accessed by clicking on Comments in the top right-hand corner. You can also interact with comments from this dialog box and control your email notification settings for when new comments are added. Another useful tip is if you want one or more people to be notified in a comment, you can simply add a plus sign to the comment text followed by their email address. This is called a mention, and everyone who is mentioned will receive an email when the comment is added.